Hey folks, Farmer Luke here. Somehow, even though we normally would be open by like mid-March or sometime early April, here we are the end of May and I'm still not ready. It's amazing how I'm never ready for anything I'm doing in my life. Anyway, I just turned the video on. I thought, because we're busy making preparations here for the market that starts tomorrow, but I thought I'd show you how the sheep are actually behaving. They've all been out and had a big snack, and now they're just all laying around chewing their cud. Everyone else chooses to lay in the nice grass. This is Leah. At least she's laying on the center part, but this bird over here just laying out in the dirt. Anyways, I guess when a nap hits you, you just go with it. Anyways, these guys are all behaving themselves while I've been shoveling barns, and I hurt my back this morning, and doing a little bit of yard work and mainly putting the floors back in some of the booths. This booth over here is we're just abandoning it for this weekend. Too much damage was done, and I don't have time to fix it, so not going to worry about it. Anyways, still lots of stuff to do, but I mean, tomorrow's a long ways away. See you folks, so we'll see you up here this weekend, and we've reduced our admission price this weekend. Some people always find it weird when we charge money to come to a market, but the big thing is you're still coming to see all the animals and all the stuff. So I mean, that's what we do for a business. That's our tourism. So for the spring market, we reduce our entry fee to $8, taxes included, and that's for the spring one. We just don't differentiate. We just say $8, and it's for anyone 7 and up. And we've had lots of questions from people that, because our poster said ages 7 and up, the admission price, they're questioning whether or not they're allowed to bring anyone that's younger, which is, yes, you can bring kids that are younger. Their admission is free, but it's $8 for everyone who's 7 and older, just flat, and it makes it easier. If you can bring cash, that's ideal, because we've had some damage to our internet equipment, and it's making that a bit more of a challenge. We will still have access to be able to do the Square, like the debit payments, but at the same time, if you have the ability to bring a bit of cash, that's a good thing. So, all right, folks, see you tomorrow. 10 to 4 tomorrow and 10 to 4 Sunday. See ya.